All right, good morning, Dr. Jaffe. One of our customers is writing in stating that collagen is a hot topic these days. It feels like it's been a hot topic for quite some time now. Is there anything that you can take either topically or internally that will actually help rebuild collagen, or is it all a sales gimmick?
The short answer is that yes, you can. And I'm going to be very specific about the multiple natural essential nutrients that will build collagen on the inside. And I want to be very clear that swallowing collagen or gelatin, swallowing peptides derived from bone or skin or collagen or from fish, it is something I have been studying since the 1960s. I happen to do my doctorate on how collagen cross-links, how it's made, how it's used, what keeps it repaired, and what causes it to fail. And we've known for all of that time that swallowing collagen doesn't necessarily harm you. It might be part of a dessert, but it's not a complete protein. It is hard on the kidneys, and you don't add collagen protein, which your bones and joints and skin and all the infrastructure of your body depends on collagen. Also elastin and things called basement membranes, but let's just focus on collagen. It is an inexpensive protein to produce. Often, though, it's contaminated because the animals from which it came are commercially fed animals. And these animals tend to have a fair amount of toxins, like toxic metals, lead, mercury, nickel, arsenic, cadmium, in their skin and in their joints and in their bones. So that's a reason to not take a collagen supplement. But the most important is that you're trying to fool Mother Nature. And as a physician and scientist, as a father and someone who came to debunk this area and found much of my ignorance that was corrected by mentors, and I now advocate for using physiology before pharmacology. Let us take the science we know, let us communicate it clearly. You build collagen where it's needed, as it's needed, inside individual cells, generally metabolically very active cells, cells that depend upon adequate ascorbate. And how much vitamin C ascorbate do you need? Well, do the C cleanse, because ascorbate is the maternal antioxidant that sacrifices herself to protect all others and recycle all others. So today we do need more. The 21st century is a pro-oxidative century, and to live in balance, you'll need more antioxidant ascorbate, starting with the C cleanse, including the PERK polyphenolics, the PERK repair guard or the PERK pain guard, including PERK zinc, like PERK double zinc or PERK zinc plus lozenges, including PERK lifeguard mini capsules to keep your urine sunshine yellow, taken with food, including Mag Plus Guard and choline citrate based on the urine pH after rest. And in some cases, individuals will also benefit from the restorative benefits of PERK Sleep Guard, of PERK Adrenal Distress Guard, of PERK Mood Guard, PERK Detoxin Guard, the first triple detoxifier, the first capsules that addressed all detoxification systems, been available now for 34 years, going on 35, and still a superior formula, because there are 3 phases to detoxification, and we want to tune all 3 of them up. And then finally, PERK Bone Guard or PERK Hair, Skin, and Nails Guard. And yes, of course, stay hydrated, get some restorative sleep, stretch as best you can, like 5 minutes every hour or so. And when you can, take a salt and soda soak, maybe with an aromatic oil that you like. If your skin tends to be dry, you can use a little sesame oil in that salt and soda bath, but breathe while you're in there. Breathe gently and abdominally. Visualize yourself in a place of healing, of rest and renewal. And then get out and towel off and maybe do some dry brushing of your skin with a nice fluffy towel. And then stretch either in bed or before you get into bed. And now restorative sleep comes much more easily and much more beneficially to most people. So build your collagen from within. We are your friend and can talk about any of these subjects, partly because I've had a deep and abiding interest in collagen and connective tissue proteins for now going on half a century. Thanks for the question.